Hi there. Welcome into the journey of business development, the heart of helping businesses grow with Eunice Purpose. Whether you're a business owner, a founder, a student, an entrepreneur, this series is definitely for you. So, what exactly is business development? I'm going to take it business and development. So, work with me while I break it down. Business is when you help people solve a problem or you offer them something valuable and they pay you for it. You get the money, right? So you fry akara, you can fry akara. Your neighbors love eating akara, but they don't know how to make it. They don't have the time to make it. So you fry the akara, they buy the akara. That is business. Development is when you make it grow, right? Finding new opportunities, building new relationships, creating new ways for it to succeed. So, in simple terms, I will tell you that business development is how businesses grow bigger, smarter, and stronger. Let's imagine you sell homemade juice, like Zobo, for example. So, business development is when you um, look for new places to sell. Like that's the first thing, new places to sell apart from your neighborhood. Like new places to sell, maybe like a teen junction, schools, office, shops, marketplaces, anywhere, but places for you to sell that can get more coverage or you can get more sales. After that, you're looking for people to collaborate with, right? People to collaborate with like party planners or caterers or oloko, as people will call, as Yoruba will call it, right? And after that, you're looking for new ways to improve your juice, and that includes, new flavor. That is when you can have the no zero sugar zobo, the no ginger zobo, depending. And the next thing you're doing is better packaging, right? Better packaging. That's when you have a bottle and you have this, light on that is showing your name, your brand name, and everything. And after that, you can also have your drinks in the supermarket, or a supermarket want to stock up your drinks. And now that's, my people, is business development in action. It's not about selling one thing today. It's about creating a system that helps you win again and again tomorrow. Business development, whether you're a business owner or you are building a brand, business development helps you grow on purpose. In the next video, we'll be talking about why every business needs business development, because even your favorite brand do it. So drop a comment if this has helped you understand business development better. Like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out the next video. And remember, you're not just building a business, you are building something that grows. I'm Eunice Popo and I'm helping you build your business. See you.